How to get more Hourglass in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So first up, you can get 4 Hourglass free every day by completing your missions at the bottom right here. It will refresh at 2 a.m. Eastern Time. Just click on Daily. You basically have to complete 3 tasks every day to get the 4 Hourglasses for free. And you would also want to pay attention to solo battles. And these solo battles will give you plenty of Hourglasses once you complete them. They usually release 1 or 2 after every pack release. Do keep an eye out for that. They would normally reward you Hourglasses for every win that you get from each level. And another way to get Hourglass is to go to the shop and buy Hourglasses. These refresh at the end of every month, so do make sure you keep your shop tickets handy so that you can buy up to 70 Hourglasses in the shop. Also, another way to complete the solo missions whenever a new pack drops. So for instance, this latest deck is the EV Growth deck, and you will get plenty of rewards here, as you can see, including Hourglasses. And these can really add up. And of course, you can always subscribe to the Premium Pass, and they will give you an extra pack every day. And you can also go to the shop and buy gold, and using that gold, you are able to open more packs. And that is how you get more Hourglass in Pokemon TCG Pocket.